Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change country in Google Play Store, and you can very easily download any application. Sometimes you are not able to download application because of the country. Using these tips and tricks, you change the country code as your current location and download which application you want to download. So how to do it? Let's start as a detailed demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, you need to open here your Play Store. Now I open here my Play Store, and here profile picture, you just simply click the profile picture of this Play Store account. Yes, setting options are available. Inside the setting option, here number one options are there, general. You just simply click there, and account and device preferences, second number option, and then after enter the account and device preferences, here scroll down, look at this here, country and profile. Currently my profile is related on India, but now I want switch for other place, like a switch to Luxembourg Play Store or any other. So that point of view, you need to two options are available. Add one Vodafone bill. Currently I am accessing Vodafone network. That point of view, the mobile are asking me, you can put it here your Vodafone bill located on Luxembourg or other places. Otherwise you can put it here credit card or debit card related information. So I just simply click here, change a Google Play country Luxembourg. You want use the current payment method, pay balance, and you can't change the again for 365 days. And now you change this particular country and location within a 48 hours, the process is completed. But next 1 year I am not able to change my current location, so it's mandatory you spend here 1 year, and then again you target, you have options, so you can select which country you want change and then accordingly move forward. So suppose for example I select here in Denmark, and now the again asking me Denmark credit card number. So which country you are changing, accordingly the debit card or credit card related information they are asking you. Save. Next 48 hours my location is automatically changed. So this is a process to change your country location in Android. It's very simple process to change your location in Android devices. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.